Is that blurry? It looks blurry to me. Is it? Is it blurry? What's the smell? Rotorua. Oh, it could be a toilet. Look at that. Well, it does get up higher, doesn't it? Sees it rises with the rainfall.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. From a distance you can tell.
Oh, it's gorgeous. I'm loving it, even though it's raining. And we've only just started.
Forever free, you and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
It's a rainbow. What's a rainbow? This thing. Matai. Looks like the rainbow. Oh, I don't know my trees. Blue this time. Usually orange, huh? Oh my, how am I? Ooh. So that must be where we come back. And it tells us to go this way first. So we shall. Yay. Birds. Native birds. We're starting to go downhill now. We were going up all that time. Oh, Rangiora. Rangiora? Those are all Castlecliff street names. I used to work at Castlecliff delivering my telegrams. And they had all these trees. Rangiora Street, Kamahi Street, Matai Street. They're all trees. Manukau. They've got everything. I didn't know that when I was 16 working out there. The drips off. How gorgeous. You a bit of a drenched rat, Bobby?
What?
A drenched rat? Little soft tree fern. Oh, that's that one. Is that what that is? Kakoti, I've seen you so many times. Uh-oh. My glasses are foggy. I can't see, my glasses are fogging up. Is that blurry? It looks blurry to me, is it? Is it blurry? I can't see. That way. I might have to take my glasses off. Here we are. Look at it. Oh, it's lovely. Well, it would be on a beautiful sunny day. But this is just glorious. You gotta see it in different forms, different moods. It's gorgeous. Oh, it's lovely. Lake Rotopounamu. Is that what it was called? It's beautiful. I love it. It's a bunch of ponga. What is that? Hear it. Can't see it. Birds like the kaka, the keraru, the North Island robin and the falcon weren't seen or heard in earlier years. Now you can see or hear them most days, and this area is a safe haven for them. It's rock hard if it's a fungus. It looks like the silver fern, doesn't it? Green, silver. There's a lake out there. I'm still walking around it. Cool, there's a tree branch. It might fall through. Yuck. Scary. Don't want to get in a drink. I'll come back off the log. Get up there to see if there's anything in it. Climbing up there. Lake. Oh, look at this bush. It's beautiful. What's the smell? Rotorua. I think there's thermal action here, BJ. Oh, it could be a toilet. Look at that. Could be that stinking thing I smell. Oh, how gross. That is just absolutely gross. Poor. Walking to this. Oh! Yay! We're gonna walk along the beach, bye-bye. Oh, exciting. Oh, look at this. Oh, super. Look at it. Project Tongariro, along with DOC, or Department of Conservation, protect this World Heritage Area from predators and weeds. The Rotopounamu Restoration Project was set up in 2003 and is community focused. It does get up higher, doesn't it? Says it rises with the rainfall. Oh, is that the tree? Oh, we're going right past it. It is, there's the blue thing. Oh, there's one up there though. Can you see it up there? Oh gee, we don't know where we're going. Something up here. Okay, we're at our turning point. Up by Lake Rotopounamu. Continues along beach. Oh, that's killing the other people. Car park. It's us. Back uphill, BG. Best view of the lake through the trees. I suppose it's still pleasant enough. Yes, it is. Open again. Beautiful, look at it. Plant life in here. No animals. Nothing. Bother. Fine. Shivering. Oh, hello. You stopped shivering. How gorgeous. One leaf. Sweet. We hit the intersection. We're there, beach. High five. Yay! That's just a little way back. Well, and downhill, Bobby. There's a bonus. Took us, will take us around the 2 hours, won't it?
Yeah.
About that. Yay. Lovely in the bush, Bobby. Yeah, to the road. How about that? What do you reckon?
Yeah.
Did you like it?
Yeah, it was good.
It was good, hey? I enjoyed it too. What a cool walk. Even if it was in the rain. Hey, We loved it. Goodie. There it is. Rotopounamu walk. Beautiful. Right, let's get across this main road. Where's this road? Leads to Turangi and Taupo in that direction. Hey, bye-bye.